This
fucking sucks!
Tiny spider. Yep, snake. This is
The nastiest shit
in the world. Diet Dr. Cock is so
fucking awesome.
I hate you all. I really do.
Diet Dr.
Cock
was so good.
Yummy.
The plankton factor says plankton might be queer. The plankton factor says plankton might be
Queer!
Split.
Bob. Yes, Mr.
Crack.
Go check out the plankton factor. Beep beep.
Okay.
Mr. Crack.
Hmm.
The plankton factor says plankton is
Inside my ass.
what?
Sorry.
Repeating. Plankton is in the crusty.
Blunt.
Holy.
Oh my.
Go fucking.
I got.
AIDS.
I got.
Chlamydia.
Jesus! City fucking Christ! Molester!
Oh,
Someone kill me, please!
I'm gonna
Shove
put this
Up your ass.
plankton. Oh,
Fuck me.
I gotta go down there and
Kill him. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Aw, man.
our weed. You weren't even finished
Smoking.
that. Beep.
Come here, I'm gonna kick your ass. I'm gonna kick
Well,
it harder if you don't come over here.
What in Neptune?
Ass crack.
Uh-oh, I forgot plankton. You better hold on for dear life. Whoa. Oh.
Spliff.
Are you okay? Where's the crab?
Weed.
Oh.
It's right here. Where's
That little nut fucker.
Pew. Beep, beep, beep. Looks like for plan B. And B stands for
Terrorism.
self-destruct in 3, 2. Uh-oh. Beep, beep, 1. Plankton.
That is a fucking nut.
Your shit. Oh.
That's it. I am going to finally kill you.
Myself?
I'm sorry. I
Can't fucking do it. Shit!
No, instead of
Killing myself.
I'm just gonna put you
In jail.
Come with me, Plankton.
Oh man, I feel like a total chode.
Come on.
My chest.
What?
Beep, beep, beep. Plankton, I have had enough.
You bullshit.
Like, what the fuck?
Plankton.
You fucking moron.
Sorry, I just really wanted to.
Bag of weed and a bottle of wine.
I don't fucking care.
Plankton. Now hop in.
Time to
Serve.
10 years in prison.
shit.
Beep. Here we go. Edward,
Yeah?
somehow I think the winds are picking up. Huh?
Oh my god.
Look. What?
Oh shit! We're all gonna die! Oh my god! Oh my god!
This is all Plankton's fault. If he would have
Become a fully blown terrorist.
and made the wind go tough, none of this rain would have ever happened.
I hope he goddamn dies.
No.
Oh, crap! This is all Plankton's fault!
So much later that the old
Editor!
got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Sweet baby Jesus.
Mr. Krabs.
Are you dead?
I lost my
Testicle.
oh, and Squidward
Exploded.
Into a million pieces.
and Plankton's.
Fucking dead.
Well,
Quick, take it around and help me.
Get rid of the body.
I think I'm dying.
I think I'm getting my period.
That's disgusting.
Okay, that just happened.
come on, SpongeBob.
Dead.
I am in great pain.
So you think he'll be okay?
No.
I hope I get my arm fixed. Yeah, because we're all
Fucked up.
and we just want to go home. And we will. Sponge.
What?
Yes, Mr.
Correct.
We're going to take the rest of the month off, okay? Okay. Our friends have survived a terrible
Terrorist attack.
but they forgot one thing. Guys, you forgot us.